On behalf of the Black Organizing Project in Oakland, California, we are so honored to be selected by the National Education Association for this year's Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Award. Even though we would love to be in person with you accepting this award, we are no less excited and we are absolutely humbled to be in such great company. The Black Organizing Project started because we believe in the power of the community to make their own decisions. We believe that community organizing, which essentially is real people being able to come together to understand the things that are happening to them in their communities, in their neighborhoods, in their schools, and to collectively figure out what they want to do about it and how to do it. So it includes doing things like door knocking and doing one-on-one meetings with parents and students and community members. It also includes doing research around the issue that's affecting you and figuring out, well, what is the problem and how do we solve it? And so community organizing has really been the backbone of most of the major movements in the United States. Organizing is very invisibilized. People think that change happens because one individual person stood up and made that happen. But that's never really how change happens. When we think of Black organizing, we understand that Black organizing is fundamental to really doing anything that's going to move this country. That if we're going to have a multiracial movement towards justice, it has to include Black organizing. So one of the reasons we started the Black Organizing Project is because we believe in the power of Black organizing. Last summer, many of us felt the grief and the pain of not only a pandemic where too many lives were lost, but also too many lives lost at the hands of police violence. One of those lives was George Floyd. A lot of folks in Oakland and across the country wondered, what can we do? And they took to the streets demanding defunding and new ways of looking at safety where all communities and people feel safe, not only in our schools, in our cities, in our communities, and in our homes. June 24th was a day that marked a historic moment for us in Oakland because we were able to pass the George Floyd resolution. The George Floyd resolution was a resolution to eliminate the Oakland Unified School Police Department. In fact, it was a historic resolution because it's really the only district in the country that had its own police department eliminated. We are so grateful and so pleased to be part of a movement that says we don't have to settle for the way things are. And no matter how hard it looks, we believe enough in the power of our community to really invoke change. So we hope that you will continue to join us in this fight towards not only police-free schools, but sanctuary schools, Black sanctuary schools, and schools where all children and all students and all families feel safe and continue to thrive. And with that, we will look forward to our work in the future with our local Oakland Education Association, who will continue to be an ally as we begin to build out this new way forward. And once again, thank you so much.